In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Semrush subscription or free trial. First, make sure you're logged into your Semrush account. Open your browser, go to the Semrush website, and sign in with your usual login details. Once you're successfully logged in, look toward the top right-hand corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. Click on that icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option called Subscription Info. When you click it, Semrush will open a new page where you can manage your billing and plans. On the subscription info page, look for a section near the top labeled Recurring. This is where Semrush shows you which payments are set to renew automatically. Next to the word Recurring, you'll see a status link that says Active. Go ahead and click on that active link. A small drop-down menu will appear, and from there, choose the Disable option. This tells Semrush that you want to stop automatic renewal. Once you click Disable, the page will refresh. After it reloads, Semrush will ask you which subscription or trial you want to cancel. You might see options like all Semrush subscriptions, or specific tools such as SEO, ADI visibility, or traffic and market-related plans. Take a moment to carefully select the subscription or free trial you actually want to cancel. This is important so you don't accidentally stop access to tools you still need. When you've made your selection, click the Continue button to move on. The page will reload again, and this time you'll see a cancellation flow with some extra details. Scroll down the page until you find the button that says Continue to Cancel. This is usually closer to the bottom, so don't worry if you don't see it immediately. Click Continue to Cancel to confirm that you really want to turn off the renewal for the chosen subscription or trial. Once you've done that, your cancellation request is complete. Your plan or trial will stop renewing automatically, and you won't be billed again for that specific subscription after the current period ends. That's all you need to do to cancel a Semrush subscription or free trial.